They called it myth. They laughed at it, but science just caught up. They called it meditation. They called it mysticism. Now we call it neuroregulation. Modern science confirms what ancient wisdom practiced. Controlled breathing activates the vagus nerve, our body's natural calming system. It lowers heart rate, reduces cortisol, and even changes how the brain processes stress. What used to be mysticism is now neurobiology. They saw patterns. They drew spirals. Now physics sees resonance. Ancient architects used geometry to align with the cosmos. They didn't just build, they tuned structures to vibrate with energy. Today, physicists study how sound creates form. They spoke of dying before death. We called it poetry. Now we see it in brain scans. Mystics spoke of awakening before death, a final clarity. And now science observes something real. In the last hours of life, the brain sometimes lights up. A moment of unexpected lucidity. We called it a miracle. Neuroscience calls it terminal lucidity. They sat in silence. We called it wasting time. Now we call it neuroplasticity. In ancient temples, they sat in stillness. In today's labs, we study what silence does to the brain. Meditation strengthens attention, grows gray matter, and rewires how we think. Stillness isn't empty, it's transformation in motion, and the brain remembers every breath. They whispered mantras. We thought it was superstition, but water remembers everything. They spoke to water. Science laughed. But under a microscope, sound shaped its structure. Mantras, frequencies, vibration. Turns out, water listens. What if they never believed in myths? What if they just knew the science before we did?